Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading for July 28th, 2026, Part 2. The theme is Unearth a Story. Edwina, the dinosaur who didn't know she was extinct. Words and pictures by Willems. Everyone in town knew Edwina. She was the dinosaur who played with the neighborhood kids. She was the dinosaur who did favors for anyone who asked. Edwina helped little old ladies cross the street, and she baked chocolate chip cookies for everyone. Everybody loved Edwina, except Reginald Von Hooby-Dooby. Reginald knew just about everything about just about everything. He liked to give reports in class about all the things he knew. Today he was going to talk about things that are extinct. Specifically, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, totally extinct. A report by Reginald Von Hooby-Dooby. But as soon as Reginald started, Beth McFeeder asked, "What about Edwina? She's a dinosaur." Then Tommy Britcher said, "Yeah, Edwina can't be extinct. She bakes chocolate chip cookies for us." And then Ms. Mink added, "Maybe Edwina is baking chocolate chip cookies right now." Before he knew it, everyone except Reginald was outside eating cookies. "No one listens to me with that dinosaur around," thought Reginald. "Well, tomorrow I'll prove to the whole town that dinosaurs really are extinct, and poof, Edwina will disappear." The next morning, Reginald handed out flyers that made excellent arguments about how extinct dinosaurs are. They also made excellent hats. When flyers didn't work, Reginald tried protesting. "This is not happening!" When protesting didn't work, he tried everything he could think of. But no one listened. Finally, Reginald broke down and cried. "Boo-hoo," he sobbed. "Why won't anyone listen to me?" "I'll listen to you," said a voice from behind him. Reginald took Edwina to his classroom. Inside, Edwina listened as Reginald told her the truth about dinosaurs. He was persuasive. He was expressive. He was loud. He was very convincing. Edwina was shocked. When he was done, Reginald felt fantastic. No one had ever listened to him so well for so long. Everything Reginald had said made sense. There was no doubt about it in Edwina's mind. She knew she was extinct. She just didn't care. And by then, neither did Reginald Von Hooby-Dooby. The end. Okay, we are going to make a mini dinosaur, and your Craft-to-Go kit is this mini dinosaur. And you can see it needs to be punched out. But before I punch it out, I'm going to go ahead and color it. And it looks like you can color it on both sides because there's detail on both sides. So what I got is markers. You can use markers or crayons or even coloring pencils. And I think I'm going to make him very colorful. I'm going to give him pink spikes. And see, I can color over the lines because it's just going to be punched out. So it doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. just making sure I get all the spike. And I think I'm going to give him a blue body. You can make yours however you want. And I'm going to color his little feet parts pink and the sideways thing blue. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to color. You can see I'm flipping it over. I'm doing the back, and it's hard to see the spikes on this side. You can see them better once you've colored some of them in. But I'm going to go ahead, like I said, I'm coloring pink and blue on mine. You can do any color you want on yours. And once I'm done coloring, I will turn the camera back on and we will put this guy together. Or girl. Whatever you want it to be. I guess in Jurassic Park they were all supposed to be females. That's not how it was in the dinosaur world. Okay. Okay, I've colored both sides and it looks a mess right now. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna gently pop out the dinosaur parts. Now mine has spikes. I don't know which dinosaurs you got, but that's kind of the hardest part. Pop that out. Pop that out. And pop that out. And we leave this mess and throw that away. Now, to put it together, you put the big stand in the middle. Then you have the little stands. Have the toes facing front. There's 1 foot. 2 feet. It looks like the paper on the thing wants to roll up a bit. Then we just, oops. He doesn't want to stand up, huh? To balance him, there he is. And there's your dinosaur. Little mini dinosaur. That's what he looks like.